cents through Super Chat.
Let's get back to the stream. Oh, I found my... Wait. I forgot about this, chat. Y'all don't know who gave me this, bro? I forgot all about this. So me and my brother, we went to chat. Y'all remember? I forgot to shout out the guy who gave my little brother this. My little brother actually left this. But chat, y'all remember when my brother was here? We went to this like this little amusement park. I forgot who this guy was, bro. What was his name? What was the guy name? Fuck. What was the guy? No, chat. No, chat. I'm not about to burn it, bro. Like, this was actually a gift. What was the guy name? Chat. He might be in the stream right now. But I do remember, like, you had like a bright green shirt. What's that color? What's that one green shirt? It's like a lime green, like a Nike. I know you had a Nike lime green shirt. So shout out to that guy, bro. I just wanted to say, everybody say thank you to the guy, bro. Everybody say thank you to that guy, bro. Austin Mack? Was it Austin Mack? Nah, wait. Nah, it wasn't him. I don't know who it was, bro. But thank you for, hold on, wait. You can actually press it.
Never, you fucking never, monkey never, you never.
Mom! What the fuck? Are you serious? Are you dead ass? Are you dead ass? Oh my God!